Epson EcoTank M1120 printer. Save up to 90% vs.laser with replacement bottles. The EcoTank M1120 monochrome wireless printer is the perfect choice for entrepreneurs who need high performance and efficiency in black and white printing at an ultra-low cost, without sacrificing quality. With high-capacity refillable ink tanks, you can print up to 11,000 pages in black with the 2 bottles included and up to 6,000 pages in black with replacement bottles. Print up to 11,000 pages in black with replacement bottles. New system easy to fill. Pigmented ink with professional quality. Wireless printing from smartphones and tablets. Maximum print resolution 1440 by 720 dpi. ISO print speed 15 ppm. A4/letter. Paper sizes. Paper types: plain paper, premium presentation paper matte, premium presentation paper matte double-sided, presentation paper matte. Paper weight: plain paper, 6490 GSM. Standard connectivity: high-speed USB, Wi-Fi, 802.11b/g/n, Wi-Fi direct. Mobile printing solutions: Epson Connect, Epson iPrint app, iOS registered, Android, Epson email print, remote print driver, other, Google Cloud Print. Operating systems. Power: rated voltage, AC 100 to 240 V, rated frequency, 50 Hz to 60 Hz, rated current, 0.4 to 0.2 ampere, power consumption, 14 watts, in operation mode, 3 watts, in ready mode, 0.7 watts in sleep mode. Ultra low cost replacement ink, bottle, easily refillable ink tanks. Prints thousands of pages. Up to 6,000 black pages with the replacement ink bottles. Wireless printing and Wi-Fi direct. Print using mobile devices, like smartphones, tablets and notebooks. Outstanding value. The 2 included ink bottles are equivalent to 6 toners.